Let's talk about easy stripes. I don't need to show you anything else about how to crochet with self-striping yarn because it's exactly the same technique. There's nothing different about it. The yarn does all the work for you. It looks like this when you buy it in a skein. And this one is Impeccable from Michaels, Loops and Threads Impeccable. The color is Toasted Almond, and this is what it looks like in the hat. So I think that's super fun. This hat has a fold-up brim. Another one in worsted weight yarn that I like is Impeccable again, and the color is called Mirage Gray. It's basically just neutrals. It's like gray, tan, black, and here's what it looks like in the pom-pom beanie, and I really like it. I think it's really fun. One other skein, I actually bought this and I haven't crocheted with it yet, but it's really, really similar to the first one I showed you, this Toasted Almond. Again, this is the same brand, the Impeccable, and the color is Stillness. So those are some of the self-striping yarns that I like to use for the basic beanies. So you could use it to make like the slouchy, the pom-pom, the fold-up brim, all those. Now, if you want to make a chunky beanie with self-striping yarn, I've got that for you too. This brand, Charisma, also from Michaels by Loops and Threads. Charisma has a lot of self-striping yarns. This one is called Ashes, and it is just like gray, dark gray, brown, and black. It looks really cool. I almost forgot because I am in the process of making a beanie with this. And this one is the same brand, the Impeccable. It's called Tropical Storm. I did make a hat with this for a guy before. It was like a friend who ordered it for her boyfriend, and he liked it. So this one is like a lot brighter, but it's like brown, green, and teal, and also light brown. And it looks, I like it. I mean, it's really fun to crochet with. So those are some of my suggestions for easy stripes with self-striping yarn. Of course, you don't have to use the Michaels brand. You can use any brand. Just, make sure you check your gauge and adjust. Oh, one thing with this too, this kind, there's only 187 yards in this skein, whereas the normal solid color, there's like 285. Why do I know this? I don't know. I didn't even look. I know this. If I wanted to make this beanie and also put like a fold-up brim, I would need to start on this second skein of yarn. So you can make a pom-pom beanie with one skein of yarn, but if you want to make like slouchy with a fold-up brim or like pom-pom with a fold-up brim, you're probably going to need 2 skeins. So just keep that in mind. Pay attention to your yardage if you get this yarn. So, all right, so those are my tips on the self-striping yarn. Super fun.